Hi, I don't have a challenge for you in this video, but I did want to take the time to congratulate you if you've made it this far. Notice in our list that we completed the last very easy challenge from that category. So the next step would be to proceed into easy. I'll probably break that out into a separate playlist to help people who may be coming in at different skill levels. But you definitely deserve credit if you made it through the 48 or 49, whatever it was, challenges there. A lot of people run into material like this, and it's overwhelming, it's intimidating. You can't learn it all up front. I don't care who you are. So there's just a lot of dealing with a lot of unknown, and that's really scary to a lot of people. And if you made it through all that and you're even enjoying it, you probably are cut out to do this kind of work. And so you should continue to pursue it, sort of embrace the unknown, the challenge, the difficulty, having to struggle through things, but then again, the reward you get from solving something that wasn't given to you. And so I highly encourage you to continue on to the easy series as I continue to roll those videos out. But very good work. Keep it up, and I hope to see you in the next series.